When uploading data with a smart connector, you have several different delivery types to choose from. One option is called manual upload. This is where you add data using a file from your device. This video will describe how to bring in data to TapClicks using an appropriately formatted file in the manual upload delivery type. Before we go through the steps though, let me start with a few things you'll need to consider to ensure things work properly. First, you need to be using one of the accepted file formats as shown in the application. The file size also needs to be considered. You will find reference to the maximum allowable file size in the application as well. You also need to ensure that the file is properly formatted. This means having at least 2 rows of data, 1 row with column headers, and at least 1 more row with representative data. And the data itself must follow the correct naming conventions, such as using the right date formats. You can read more about formatting in the TapClicks knowledge base. Okay, so now that your file is properly formatted, let's walk step by step through the manual upload process. First, navigate to the data heading in the left nav. Then click on Smart Connector, and then find the plus sign button near the top of the page. Click on it to create a new Smart Connector. Configure the essential settings such as drill down name, is active, and origin of data. Those are all standard. After this, select Manual Upload from the Delivery Type drop-down menu. This will prompt you to add a sample data file. The sample data file is used in mapping fields. That is, you will need to tell TapClicks how to interpret each column of data and ensure that each row can be uniquely identified. As stated before, make sure that this file follows the recommended format before you upload it. Now click on Select Sample File. Choose the file you want to upload and then begin mapping the fields to the TapClicks system. After mapping your data, there's a checkbox called Load Sample Data. The default setting for this is off. Once you've set up your connector and double-check the field mappings, click Save Changes. As is the case with every connector, now that you've created the connection between TapClicks and your data source, you'll need to assign this data to clients in your account for use in reporting. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks.